body. What? You are not the body. You are not your body, family. You leave your body every night when you go to sleep. The body stay here, you leave, nigga. That's what dreams are. Your dreams are your memories from your other lives on other planets and other realms and other realities and other galaxies. We are multidimensional beings. I'm going to tell y'all this shit sun up, sun down. Nigga, it's going to always be that, nigga, with me. It ain't going to never change, nigga. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, catch me in the street, nigga, catch me in the Astros, nigga. It's the truth. It's the facts of life. The true facts of life, nigga. All right? So, now let's start with this baby. Let's start as babies, though. Let's work our way through this shit now. Now that we know what this carbon shit about, let's work our way through this shit they call life. You know? And we ain't got all day, so we ain't gonna turn it to no 25-hour lecture, but we gonna make it make sense in the time that it takes to make it make sense. You feel me? So look, birth is the first portal you come through. As a soul, you are a soul and a spirit if you have carbon in your skin. Now, if you are watching this university and you're a human being, that means Caucasian, Asian, Mexican, Dravidian, Arab, that means that you don't have carbon in your skin. You have melanin in your skin, which is why y'all can't take that much sunlight. And the sunlight kills you and it starts cooking your skin and stuff unless you have the suntan lotion. All right? That's why. Because I know they lied to human beings too. They got y'all thinking we all one human race, but we not. Y'all ancestors are not from here. Y'all ancestors came here through portals in the Caucasus Mountains on ships that they stole from planet Egypt on their escape from planet Nern where they were created at. Okay, that's just as cordial as I can be about the shit now. All right, I can't do nothing else for y'all. Okay, I'm saying as smooth as that. You feel me? That's all I can do for y'all out there. All right, we gonna keep it going. We back to us now. Back to us. You know what I'm saying? We are souls, and we have soul, and we have spirit. Us Black Latino people that they've been, against forever. You know what I'm saying? That all the scientific inventions, they got their faces on it. You feel me? Everything, every important invention made in history, if you go Google it right now, you're going to see a white dude with a fat ass beard. He ain't invented shit. You see what I'm saying? But they going to put his face on it up. They got you thinking the only thing black motherfuckers made was some peanut butter, a hot comb, the heart, the trap, motherfucking trap. Nigga, we made everything, nigga. When I say black people / Latino people, the gods and goddesses, invented everything, we invented everything, okay? Everything. So it's no need to even name shit. I just said it. Everything. Nigga. Did he say everything? We made everything. Nigga, I'ma just call it a spade. Ain't don't even need to name it shit out. You ain't gotta name it. We made it, nigga. Came here from here first, nigga. Facts. So, now, we have souls and we have spirits. Once again, the spirit is electricity. The soul is magnetism. So having a soul is our ability gives us the ability to attract things to us. Things we think, things we say, because we are literally magnets. So everything we say and think is magnetized. You get it? So this is why you attract things to you with what you say out your mouth, because you have a soul, which is a magnet. We know what a soul is. We heard it, but let's talk what's the science of a soul. The soul is magnetism. It's your magnet. It's what pulls people to you. They are pulled to your soul. When motherfuckers die, you don't miss their body because the body is still in the casket. You be missing their soul, their life force, their personality. Right? The soul, nigga. That's the soul, nigga. That leaves. The body stays. You see the body in the casket, don't you? Body be right there like the nigga sleep. Nigga, you see what I'm saying? They not sleep though, they gone. So keep that in your mind when you're thinking about birth. Okay? You come here as a soul on a mission. This is why you can't judge nobody by their age. A wise soul knows never to judge ones by their age, because the soul is timeless. See, we before his story, it was us. Okay, I'm gonna say that again. Before his story, it was us. All right? Before time, remember, time starts with history, nigga. Before time, nigga, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. 1901, 1902, them years, there was us. You can't enumerate us. Remember that you are the soul and the spirit. That's what makes you God. That's what God is. The soul, the spirit, the life force. And your soul and spirit and life force, if you have carbon in your skin, is connected to everybody else with a soul and spirit that has carbon in their skin, and not just every being on the planet, but the animals, the plants, and the insects as well. Facts. We are connected to every living thing. That's how powerful you is. It's kind of freaky when you first think about it. You're like, damn, what? It fucked you up. It did me like that. You be like, what? But then when you meditate on it and you get more tapped in with yourself, it's easy to see how you connected to the sun, how you connected to that moon, the real moons, not the holographic moon that they showing us here. That moon isn't real. That's a holographic image they projecting on the planet. They could turn the moon on and off like a motherfucking light, nigga. You hear me? So, know that you come here as a soul, and the first portal that you enter through this realm is the vagina. Understand that a woman's vagina is actually a portal into this realm for the soul. It's deeper than just, oh, that's a pussy. You know what I'm saying? And a lot of goddesses don't even know that. Cause you thinking that this is what they teach us in school. They got us believing that motherfuckers have sex, the sperm come out, nigga nut, sperm travel. So what they taught you was birth is not birth. Contract. That soul has a divine contract, and it knows exactly what it's supposed to do the moment it get here. But then it gets corrupted by the parents. We get to teaching the baby English and shit, which is, we know that English is a witchcraft language. Now that we know, but we didn't know. But English, all European love languages, witchcraft, but the most powerful language is the English language. It's full of witchcraft. See what I'm saying? Go look up the etymology of the word educate, and then you come back and tell me what Google tell you. See what I'm saying? 2 seconds to do it. It don't take that long. So you can understand, that's why etymology powerful. Because as a soul and a spirit, you have to understand the witchcraft that's being cast over us daily. Just with words. Little words. Little words. Little words. So the whole purpose of school is to redirect us. Think about it. When you were a young soul, everybody had dreams of what they wanted to be when they got older. Yes, they did. Every motherfucker, boy, when you was a kid, well, everybody stood up and raised their hand in kindergarten. Nigga, when the teacher said, what you want to be when you grow up, nigga stood up, I want to be a fireman. I want to be a scientist. I want to be this. Niggas want to be. Now look at niggas. Same niggas that stood in kindergarten and was like, I want to be fireman, this and this. How many actually become what they raised their hand and said they wanted to be from their soul as kindergartners? By the time you get to 12th grade in high school, life then robbed you of your innocence, family. It's completely gone. Hell, some motherfuckers don't even make it out of high school. Drop out. I dropped out of high school. See what I'm saying? You feel me? I went back and got my shit, but I dropped out though. So that's what I'm saying. What happened to kindergarten? What happened to that soul? Let us not forget why we are gathered here today. You know how many young innocent souls get molested as kids in the house? Between kindergarten and 12th grade? watch their mom strung out on drugs, or watch their mom get beat by their boyfriends, or grew up watching their uncle getting high. The way society is structured, it is designed to crush that new soul. They're not just using the education system to do it. They're using the everyday life events that they created, our oppressors created, to steer that soul away from its soul contract. And you live your whole life, right? By the time you get to high school, you done forgot why the fuck you came here. Now you grown. Now all you resorting to is what you learned in religion and what they told you in school. So you feel like, hey, if I could just go get me at least a 9 to 5, shit, settle down, find me a wife, settle down, find me a husband, have me some kids, cool, I made it. That's what most people end up settling for. Facts. By the time they 26, 27, motherfucker like, man, at this point, if I want to find me a good job, give me a good wife, give me a good husband, settle down, have some kids, man, and shit. Grow old and then die and then go to heaven and meet Jesus. And then everything gonna be okay from there. That's what you believe life is. That's what we were taught.